Since the first time we met, right, I told you guys this building would be full, right? Didn't happen game one, didn't happen in game two. Slowly started getting crowds from 4,000 to 5,000 to 6,000 to our last game being 7,200. Now you got a crowd. I'm going to tell you one more time, man. If you want them back, you got to just play so hard. You got to play with such enthusiasm. And the bench has to act properly. And you got to be so focused on the task at hand for the next 40 minutes. And it doesn't matter how many people are there. The dimensions of the court have not changed. The bucket's still 10 feet high. You got to black it all out, blank it out. And it's you on a playground playing against a dude in a red jersey. That's all it is. It's you playing against a dude in a red jersey and winning your individual battle and then winning the battle with your team. That's all it's about. I'm going to tell you one more time because everybody's going to have nerves in this building. Even some dude sitting up in section 32 is going to have nerves. The only way to overcome the nerves is to play hard, rebound, dive on the floor for loose balls, defend. Those things don't change with nerves.
Zimmerman didn't shoot the three, and Lindsey Drew steps into the passing lane, took it away. Lindsey to the bucket, and he leaves it in.
They've only made 2 field goals, and they got 2 dunks, a lob and that wolf cut.
Criswell that time looked like he was going to launch another 3. Instead, he went to the rim, and he gets the finish. Wamu, Fenner reached in, took it away. DJ running to the bucket. He'll jam it down with the right hand. 54-53, Nevada. They're going to say a deep 2, they'll review it. For now, it's a deep 2 for DJ Fenner.
It's a 1-point game, 19 seconds. They got the hammer action, right? We're playing everything straight up. Do not give up a 3-ball, right? Try to get a push. Marquise, come this way, and then there. Everybody clear out, space out. If you don't have anything, then call a timeout. Everybody see it? Watch the ISOs. Watch the hammers. Watch the crosses.
give UNLV a chance to take the ball out of bounds. Coleman steadies. Second free throw is good. Here comes the inbounds pass. Carter looking, throws it in, caught by McCall, turns and fires from half court, no good! And Nevada wins the game! 65-63, the final score tonight, as the Wolfpack rally back in the second half and beat the Rebels. Team jumping around on the court. Fans are celebrating. They love it here at Lawlor Events Center from 9 down in the second half. The Wolfpack win it 65-63, the final score. Nevada goes to 4-3 in the conference. The Rebels fall to 3-4.